of wood and mighty clay, still fit to be used for service. I'm an instrument in the Master's hand. I'm an instrument to serve the human race. I'm an instrument, whatever man may say. I'm an instrument in his hand. On my own, I'm nothing at all, helpless without a purpose. Till the great physician came and held me in his hands, skillfully used me for service. I'm an instrument in the Master's hand. I'm an instrument to serve the human race. I'm an instrument, whatever man may say. I'm an instrument in his hand. Everything I have, all the talents that he gave, all to be used for service. My life, my love, my all, to him I'll give them all. To seek him, Lord, for service. I'm an instrument in the Master's hand. I'm an instrument to serve the human race. I'm an instrument, whatever man may say. I'm an instrument in his hand. We are instruments in the Master's hand.